Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? It seems Bhavya has just woken up. Hey, Bhavya?
Good morning.
Good
No,
morning.
ma'am.
But you are sounding like that. You attended your first class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which was that?
Ma'am, physics.
Okay. Very good class, huh? That's nice. So we have geography, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me where exactly we were in this geography wala thing. I think we were on the physical features of India, right? We were on this only. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what exactly we have done up till in this? Please let me know. Sanskriti, good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. Tell me, up till where we have done?
Good morning. I'm in geography.
Good morning. Yes, Kushagra, in geography.
No, I have not attended that previous class of geography. Ma'am, today can we continue with history only?
No, geography.
Okay.
Tell me, you want history or you want geography?
I'm history. Ma'am, geography.
Ma'am, geography.
Ma'am, geography.
You need to tell me where we stopped the previous class, because
Ma'am, we have to start Indian desert.
okay, we have completed till northern plains, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Flowchart also I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
given you. Flowcharts also I have given you.
Yes, ma'am.
For northern plains, did I give you any flowchart? Tell.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I am asking, have I given you any flowchart for the three topics that you have already covered? Himalayan region, northern plains.
Yes, ma'am, you have given for the Himalayan region one flowchart.
And northern region I have not given, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
So do this flowchart and then we'll continue with the explanation of the chapter. Okay. Ready with your books? Notebooks. Okay, northern plains. Class, when we talk of the northern plains, we basically divide the northern plains into two. right? One basis is the regional basis on which the land is on which these plains are divided, right? One is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, I want to know that
Beta, your voice is not clear. Parth. Beta, your voice is not clear. Parth. आप chat box में you write in the chat box. Parth, write in the chat box. Beta, write in the chat box. Parth, I am not. Write in the chat box. I am not able to hear you. Parth, are you getting me? Parth, are you getting me? Parth. बेटा मुस्कान आपको आवाज आ रही है? Bhavya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what is Parth saying. I am not able to understand him. चलिए, physical features. Physical features of India. In that we have northern plains. Then on the basis, see the northern plains are divided on the basis of the rivers and on the basis of the relief. So when we talk of the on the basis of rivers, we have Punjab plains, we have Ganga plains, we have Punjab plains, we have Ganga plains, and we have the Brahmaputra plains, right? I hope this is clear. You all can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Then on the basis of relief, when we say, we are basically talking about the Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये इतना clear हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next flow chart. आपका next flow chart है the next that we have is the peninsular plateau. See again this peninsular plateau that we have, it is divided on two different bases. The first base is the central highlands of India? Beta, please draw these flowcharts in your notebooks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the Deccan Plateau. Now, when we talk of the Deccan Plateau, sorry, when we talk of the central highlands, we divide these central highlands, which are north of the river Narmada, and they are segregated into 4 parts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Board is not clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what's written under the basis of relief? Ma'am, the first point.
On the basis of relief, first is Bhabar. BHABAR. It is Bhabar. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Is it clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Let me know when you are finished. Class done, everyone?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
No issues, no issues.
Ma'am.
You let me know when you all are over with it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
All have done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Carry on, carry on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what's the second point of Eastern Ghats?
Dissected and broken. DISSECTED, dissected and broken.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
It are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Reading part is done or not?
Ma'am, I think no.
Reading is not done of these
Ma'am, we
topics.
have
Huh?
no, ma'am. Reading is also done. Ma'am, we have to start the Indian desert.
Okay, talking about the Indian deserts, we all know that the Indian desert that we have, it is in the western margins of the country, right? In the state of Rajasthan, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Huh. Now, this area, this region, because of excessive, uh, evaporation, the moisture content is moisture content is almost nil in the soils that are found over here. Moreover, the only water body that we can say is there in Rajasthan is Luni River, right? This river disappears in the because very less of vegetation cover is there. That is why this Luni River disappears underground. Most of the part of Luni River is underground, and it appears only in winters, not in even in summers also. This river is not visible, right? Because of the excessive evaporation that takes place in this region. We all know that the Thar Desert region that we have, it is completely covered with the sandy soil, right? And what are the characteristics of the sandy soil? Anybody in the class who can tell me?
Ma'am,
Any,
can you repeat? Ma'am, what?
my question is, what is the characteristic of the sandy soil that is covered, that has covered the whole of Rajasthan, especially the western margins of the state? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, it is light and dry.
It is?
Light and dry.
Yes, it is light and dry. Very good. Without moisture in it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And when we talk of the lower regions of Rajasthan, where the concentration of this soil is there, the the calcium carbonate, deposition is very high. कांकर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is very high in the western margins of the Rajasthan region. ठीक है, तभी तो उसका सलाइन बहुत सलाइन होती है ना, ये जो आपकी सैंड होती है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine. This is what you have in the desert region. Can we have Bhavya reading this?
Okay, ma'am. The Indian desert. The Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. This region receives very low rainfall, below 150 mm per year. Covered. Streams appear during the rainy season. Soon after
Have any problems with the network issue? Bhavya, your voice is not clear, beta.
Plain. Ma'am, what?
You were not audible. I could not hear what you said, what you read. Have you finished the reading part?
Yes, ma'am, I've done the Indian desert.
Okay. Do we have RN here in the class listening? RN, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you read this Indian desert again?
Okay, ma'am. The Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. This region receives very low rainfall below 150 mm per year. It's hard Arctic climate with low vegetation cover. Streams appear during the rainy season. Soon after they disappear into the sand as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Luni is the only large river in this region. Chance crested shaped dunes cover larger areas, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. If you visit Jaisalmer, you may go to see a group of Barchans.
Barkans.
Bar.
Huh. Okay. See, it says the desert region that we have, in this whole of the desert region, what is more prominent over here, because we all know that this area is completely covered with sand. So if you remember class 7th, when we were reading about the various landforms that are formed by the wind, we read about the sand dunes, especially the Barkans, right? Do you remember, class?
No, ma'am.
Not at all. Okay, fine. See, sand dunes को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं रेत के पहाड़. क्या बोलते हैं हम इनको? रेत के पहाड़.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट. ये सैंड ड्यून्स जो होते हैं, जो प्रोमिनेंट सैंड ड्यून्स जो कि आपको राजस्थान में बहुत ज्यादा देखने को मिलते हैं, दे आर द क्रिसेंट शेप्ड बारकांस. राइट. राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें anything that you have not understood in this, I think it is all clear. We have the desert region on the western margins of Rajasthan, right? And Luni is the only river in desert region. Class, if you remember, some of the water is available in the desert area. What is that particular, what is the particular name of that where the water is found, where cultivation is done near that area? डेजर्ट में एक प्लेस होती है जहां पे थोड़ा सा पानी मिलता है हमको. बेटा, am I audible, class?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बताओ. हमने कई बार पढ़ा है, क्लास 4 में भी पढ़ा है, 5 में भी पढ़ा है, 6 में भी पढ़ा है, 7th में भी इनफैक्ट वी हैव रेड अबाउट इट, जहाँ पे डेट्स वगैरह बहुत ज्यादा उगाई जाती हैं. व्हाट इज दैट रीजन और एरिया कॉल्ड? बोलो बच्चे. ओएसिस याद है आपको? I hope you remember this term, oasis.
Yes, ma'am.
So generally in desert area where water is found is called as oasis, where water appears from underground. अपने आप ही दिखने लगता है. जरा सा आप रेत को जब खोदते हो, उसको जब डिग करते हो रेतीले एरिया को, अपने आप ओएसिस जो है अपेयर हो जाता है. और ओएसिस वो एरिया होता है जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम ऑफ द डेजर्ट एरियाज में जहाँ पे ओएसिस पाए जाते हैं वहां पे कल्टीवेशन भी होता है, ठीक है। अगर हम बात करते हैं राजस्थान वगैरह की, राजस्थान में जो ओएसिस एरिया है वहां पे डेट्स जो हैं, खजूर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो उगाए जाते हैं, ठीक है, उसकी कल्टीवेशन होती है। राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी।
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
up till here everything is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next part or next topic of the chapter, we have the coastal region. पता है ना आपको coastal region हमने करा था ना? Do you remember the coastal region? Class?
Yes.
Coastal region is divided into two parts, if you remember. Western and eastern. Yes, children?
Yes.
Huh. What do we have? Can you, when we talk of the coastal region, this coastal region is further divided into, you know, three parts. When we talk of the coastal plains, we are basically talking about the, when we talk of the western region, we know that the western region is divided into three, that is Konkan coast, Konkan coast, this will be western coastal plain. This is eastern coastal plain.
Then we have to write this.
You can write, right? We have Konkan coast in the western part. Then we have Kannada and Malabar, right?
Ma'am, this is also a flow chart.
Yes, beta. Okay. And when we talk of the eastern coast,
Ma'am,
we have,
this is also a flow chart.
yes, beta, this is also a flow chart, bache.